Yes! Yes, I got him! Yes! Got just a few days left of season here in Indiana. I've hunted about the hardest I've ever hunted, I think, this year. The first week and a half or so, I spent a lot of time on public land trying to get a bird. It just didn't work out. So this last week, I've been focusing on this little piece of private I have permission on. Had birds in the field every day this week so far. They just wouldn't commit to my decoys. So the last 3 mornings now, I had a tom fly out of the woods across the field from me. He flew down in the woods and came out of a trail. So yesterday morning after the hunt, I ended up moving my blind across the field to roughly 15-20 yards from the trail that he's been coming out. So hopefully he does the same thing again this morning. I know I got a picture of a tom right close by last night, so I'm hoping that's where he went to roost. So gonna get in there, got about 45-50 minutes till first light, and yeah, just gotta grab my things together here, get back in, get set up, and hope for a repeat. Hopefully he does the same thing he did the last couple mornings. It's just breaking daylight, and I got 3 birds gobbling. 2 of them are right in behind me, and there's another one across the field. So it's a good sign for this morning. I just hope they can come out past at close range so I can get a shot with my bow. They're on fire this morning. least like 35, 40 yards, but I'm not gonna be able to open a window. Just hope he comes down to my decoys. Got one across the field now. There's 2 or 3 back in here. That one gonna let the rest of these birds work off the rest of the field, and then I'm gonna go out here and check him out. He's laying up here at like 30 yards, 35 yards. Yes! Can't believe I actually nailed him that time. They're still out there gobbling their heads off. He is out cold, check that out. Blasted right through him. Good beard on him. Man. What a perfect morning. Just got some little spurs, but I tell you what. Arrow right in the back of his leg, right out of the front. Yes, sir. A good heavy bird. Kind of mornings I like. Man, he's a heavy bird. Yes! Well, I can't believe I actually got it done. I've hunted so hard this season already. Season here in Indiana goes like 2.5 weeks or something like that. I've been out almost every morning, all except maybe one or two. And finally, got like 3 days left of season, got an arrow in one. The first week and a half or so, I hunted on public land a lot, trying to fill my tag there. Just wasn't working out, so I decided I'm gonna come hunt this piece of private I had. I know I had a lot of birds here. They're just somewhat of a challenge to hunt because they kind of have their mindset of going where they want to, and they don't often come into decoys or anything. So I gave it a shot, hunted this all this week already every morning, and they've been coming out of this pocket of woods right here. And so yesterday after my hunt, I moved my blind over here from the other side of the field so that I could be a little closer to them in the morning. And sure enough, they came right out of this pocket of woods here. Ended up being 4 toms that were back in here, and there was another one that was on the hill out in front of me. So it's probably going to be like the last nice day that we have for this season. It's supposed to rain the next couple days, and yeah, just blessed to be able to come out and harvest this beautiful bird. Guess now got to go work on filling my Michigan tag. Still got a few weeks left there, so hopefully the birds are still cooperating up there, and hopefully I can get on something. So go ahead, follow along, like and share, and hopefully there'll be another episode coming soon of Michigan harvest. So see you then.